In this lesson, we will find out how to import and play audio samples into LMMS. A sample is a small snippet of recorded sound, such as a drum loop or a keyboard note. There are many sources for samples, but a great source of royalty-free samples is Sample Radar. There are a few ways we can add samples to LMMS. One way is to add a sample using the sample track. Simply double-click on an empty space in the transport panel next to the sample track. Navigate to where the sample you want to add is located using the File Explorer. For this example, we will import a drum loop. The tempo of the sample is set to 128 beats per minute, BPM, but the track is set to 140 BPM. To make this sync easily with what we have made, we need to set the tempo of our composition to the same as the tempo of the sample. Double-click on the tempo/BPM of the track at the top of the project to change it. If you need to adjust the sample's length, you can do this by clicking and dragging on the sample in the timeline. If you want the sample to repeat in your composition, you can copy your sample in your track by right-clicking on it. Once you've copied the sample, you can paste it into the next available slot in the timeline by clicking on it, then right-clicking and selecting Paste.